Jawlink is happy to offer the full line of high-quality Vision rotary engraving and CNC router systems. Vision Engraving and Router Systems has been a trusted name in precision engraving and in CNC routers since 1983. Known for American-made durability, their machines are designed for unmatched reliability, accuracy, and performance across a wide range of materials. Easily engrave on round and curved surfaces like wine bottles, glasses, and tumblers using Vision's rotary attachments. Their rotary system rotates the object for clean, professional results, perfect for personalization, branding, or specialty gifts. Vision machines deliver crisp, polished results on glass and acrylic. From directional signage to custom awards, their systems produce clean cuts and sharp engravings ideal for edge-lit displays, decorative panels, and intricate designs. IPI engraving plastics are engineered for precision, and Vision machines are built to match. Whether you're working with layered plastics, textured surfaces, or specialty signage materials, Vision engravers provide clean, consistent results every time. Vision systems are ideal for a variety of applications. Americans with Disabilities Act compliant signage,
Custom rings and jewelry,
nameplates and control panels,
trophies, awards, and plaques,
industrial tags and labels.
Their versatility makes them a top choice for shops and manufacturers of all sizes. To learn more about how Vision engravers can fill the needs of your business, visit our website at jawlink.com, or for details, quotes, or support, please contact one of our engraving specialists at the number below, or for online support service, visit our website at jawlink.com/support.